Riboti ya uthuthuria wigie motungata ma mabengi hari customers makiria ma 30,000 mwaka muhituku wa 2023 yonanitie motungata bengi ya Co-operative ni ma mwanya na customers ao na muingi ni ukoretwo ugitungatirwo na njira iria yagiriire. Kumana na bengi ino nitangathitwo ta bengi iria njega muno kana namba imwe bururi-ini hari motungata mao ni ngwataniro ya mabengi ya Kenya Bankers Association na gukinyiria riu niyo inyitiriire muhari wa mbere hari ukinyaniria wa motungata ma kimbeca kuri muingi.
While there's customers are increasingly preferring to use digital platforms to access services, the human interface is also remaining important. We'll see here that most of the customers or the respondents were saying that they usually prefer to visit the bank physically when they want to address complaints, to have their complaints resolved. That's the time that they are able to visit the bank.
Riri ni rita ria keri bengi ino irayukia uhotani uyu kuona mwaka muhituku noyo yatongoretie customers makiuga ni makoretwo makiiganira na motungata maria mamukagira.
The industry score on access to services from this important banking population stood at 88%. However, 6.5% of persons living with disabilities from the proportion surveyed still require a third party to access services.
Gukiri uguo atongoria bengi ino ni mamukirite certificate ya uhotani kuria meraniire guthie na mbere na kuheana motungata makinyaniru kuri muingi.
As an industry, we therefore need to invest in enhancing our capacity to actualize the full potential of technology. We will continue, therefore, to strive for excellence and ensure that our customers remain our top priority.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.